Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, which is pretty nice. That nice backup camera right there. And moving to the side, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as that nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is pretty slim. Moving to the front, we do have that nice block heater there, license plate bracket, 2 tow hooks for all your towing necessities, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, with having this nice dark gray cloth interior. We have 2 cup holders right there, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt outlet right there. And looking above my head, we do have a twin-panel moonroof, which keeps the vehicle nice and light inside. Moving to the door, we have plenty of door space, which is pretty nice. And as well as if you need a little extra cargo space, you can always move those seats up for some extra space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seat is powered with the same dark gray cloth interior that we saw in the back there. Looking at the door, you have plenty of door space for whatever you need. You have your parking brake here and your pedal adjuster right there, which is pretty nice. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 87,566 kilometers. And looking at the steering wheel, we have our volume controls right there, our voice and phone controls, as well as your cruise control there and your toggle for your main screen, which you can go for your menu, which has trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and other settings. Looking beside me, you do have your gear shift right there with your speed adjusters right there and your drive modes, which are normal, tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport. Now looking beside me, you do have a little cubby for whatever you need, 2 cup holders, a nice little cubby down there with 2 USBs. You have your trailer disconnect right there, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and your 4-wheel drive capabilities. You do have 2 heated front seats and dual climates, so no need to fight over the temperature there. You have your volume and tune controls up there, a 12-volt outlet, and a 110-volt outlet right there. And looking at the center console here, you do have plenty of space for whatever you need, and you can move this side to side or remove it completely, which provides you with another 12-volt outlet down there. Nice. You have your traction control above your main screen here, hazards, and auto stop and auto start. Now looking at our main screen here, you have your audio. On your home screen, you have your audio. You can see what phone's connected and your navigation. Phone, which phones are connected. Navigation so you don't get lost. Any apps you may have downloaded. Sirius XM compatible. Settings such as Bluetooth, phone, 911 assist. A Wi-Fi hotspot is included in the vehicle, valet mode, and so on and so forth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and taking a look above my head, you do have your twin panel moonroof functions right there, as we can see here, as well as a rear window opener, as we can see there, which is pretty nice. The stock number for this vehicle is KF51328A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.